Hello friends, let us see another previous year gate question. So what is the given data? Figure given below shows a smooth vertical gravity retaining wall with cohesionless soil backfill. Okay, angular friction is given. If the graphical representation of Rankine's earth pressure for the retaining wall as shown in the figure, length OP represents. That means from here to here, what does it represent? Is it a vertical stress at the base? Is it a vertical stress at a height h by 3 from the base, lateral earth pressure at base, and lateral earth pressure at height h by 3 from base? So Mohr circle envelope, you will always draw for the vertical stress and the shear stress. You will not draw it for the lateral earth pressure. So that's why option C is eliminated, option D is eliminated. So what they're asking, graphical representation of Rankine's active earth pressure. They are asking about the earth pressure. Normally, where you will take the earth pressure, always you will take at the base. The net magnitude that will act at a height of h by 3, but that will act at the base only. So corresponding to the ground line, what is the value here? Vertical stress at the base is the correct answer. From the options also, you can directly pick it. H by 3 means they are asking active earth force that will act at the h by 3. But we have to find out the pressure. For the pressure, A will be the correct answer. Thank you.